As we are getting deeper into the winter season, I'm realizing that I really don't have a lot of pieces in my wardrobe that I feel connect with me anymore or that I'm truly loving to wear. So in this video, I really want to teach you guys how to make your own clothes from pieces you already have in your wardrobe. And I'm going to be making a really cute turtleneck top that I can wear for the rest of the winter season. I'm also going to be doing something that I should have been doing a long time ago, which is making this top from fabric scraps. I have so many fabric scraps all around my house that I should be using to repurpose and make new things with. So I'm probably going to use some scraps from the recent collection I just made because I have a lot of velvet fabrics that I think will be really cute for this top that we're gonna make today. If you didn't already know, my name's Bria and I love making fashion and sewing videos here on YouTube. I'm so excited to have you guys here with me today, and I'm glad that you're a part of my sewing journey. So if you enjoy watching my sewing tutorials and my fashion videos, definitely subscribe to see more and share with anyone else that you know who loves sewing and fashion. Comment below how you guys think this top turns out at the end of this video, and without further ado, we're gonna get straight into the making of this cute winter top. Now, I was going through my Pinterest and trying to find good inspo for this turtleneck top that we're gonna make today. I really wanted to go for something like this, I would say. Hopefully you guys can see that. Sort of just like a classic fold over turtleneck. But I was just looking on here for some more inspo. The fabric I'm going to use, I think, definitely will be velvet, so it probably will look more like this red one, but I'm going to be making it in a really nice blue velvet. So even like that, like that's so cute. Like I love that. Focus. Okay, yeah, that's a lot better. I love that. But the color I'm using is like a deep blue. So yeah. And like I said, I'm going to show you guys how to clone pieces from your wardrobe. So for this video, we're going to use a top that I already own. So when you're cloning any kind of clothes, you want to make sure that your clothes are flat, completely flat. So I'm basically just going to lay these out, make sure they're flat so that I can trace the outline of it. The only difference I am going to make with this is, as you can see, this is sort of at an angle. I just want this to be a regular straight hem, so I'm going to make the bottom just a straight line. So I'll probably like mark here and here and connect it. But yeah, we're just going to trace this off for the front, and normally the back is a little bit higher than the front. So we're going to trace the front and the back, and then we're going to trace the, what would you call this? The neck piece, I guess you would call it. The turtleneck part. So yeah. So as I'm tracing this off, I'm realizing it probably makes more sense for me to trace one side and then fold it over and trace the rest. So I basically just traced this whole side just so that I can make sure it's symmetrical on both sides, because I don't want this to be an asymmetrical shirt, which is what it is right now. So if you wanted to like trace this off completely, then you would literally trace it to a T all the way around. But I am making a little bit of an adjustment on certain parts because I just want to change some things. So I'm going to cut it from here. Well, actually first I'm going to remove this, make sure all the lines are clean, and then draw this straight hem in right here, and then I'll fold it in half and cut the rest. I cut out all the pieces. I have a back, a front, and the neck, or the turtleneck piece. So now I went through my fabrics, and this is the fabric I really wanted to use. I have a bunch of scrap fabric from this dress that I made. I think it was September, because I did a shoot for the Renee dress. So I think this would be a really nice, classy turtleneck top if I made it in this beautiful scarlet color velvet. I think this would be really nice. So I'm really hoping I have enough to make this top. So I'm going to lay out the fabric and see if I have enough to use this fabric for this design. So cue the montage. So I was really debating on how I should be doing this neckline or the neck piece of the turtleneck, and I realized I probably should just make it into a square because it's going to stretch into the neck shape because of how the neckline is cut on the top. So I ended up just using these 2 points as my guidelines for how wide to make it, and I just cut the neckline into a square. So now we're gonna sew everything, and then I'll show you guys how it looks. Okay, I'm trying it on. Please excuse the messy background, but I'm just trying it on before I add the neck. Fit check. I literally just pulled my jumpsuit down, so don't mind the bottoms, but it actually fits really well. I did not add the neck yet. I'm already wearing a turtleneck actually, but it fits me like a glove actually. So I'm gonna move on, add the neck, hem everything, and then show you guys the final product. I'm thinking with this, I'm probably also gonna layer it since it is winter, so that's why I kept this shirt on, and I think it looks really cute. So yeah, we're gonna finish it and then I'll show you guys the end result. So for the neck, I'm literally just going to sew along the side seam right here. Okay, neckline time. Hey guys, it's the next day and I finished the top. It came out super cute. And I'm about to do a little photo shoot outside. It actually ended up snowing. I'll show you guys in a second. But yeah, I'm gonna do my hair and I'm wearing this as like a layer underneath the top because I think it'll look really cute. And then I'm gonna wear my white bubble skirt I made. So this is basically the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Definitely subscribe if you guys enjoyed watching me make this really cute turtleneck top. I hope you guys enjoy the final reveal of how everything turned out, and I'd love to have you continue on this journey, so definitely stay tuned for the next video that I'm going to be posting, and comment below what your favorite part of this video was. I'll see you guys in the next one, and have a great rest of your week. Bye!
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah.